Hey guys, today we're going to talk about top 5 free text editors. I wanted to preface this video by saying that a lot of developers are really particular about their text editors, and rightfully so. We do spend a lot of time in these programs. So this is my personal opinion on the best text editors out there right now. However, my number 5 may be your number 1 or the other way around. Or maybe I didn't mention the text editor that you believe is absolute best. So please leave those in the comments down below so that way other people can see that information and find it helpful as well. All right, let's get into this. The criteria I use to make this list are the following. Performance to me is all about consistency. It's just making sure that your editor is working as it is supposed to, regardless of what kind of application you're working on, whether it be a small app or a really large project. Speed. How fast does it open files? How fast does the editor load? Customization. Am I able to customize the editor with plugins, with themes, etc.? Editing capabilities. Can I edit more than one file at a time? Is there split screen capability? Specialty features is all about what does the editor bring for you, whether it be your level of experience or the type of job that you do. Number 5 for me is Vim. The reason why is it is pre-installed everywhere, so on any machine that you go to, it is there. And the shortcuts are lightning fast. Once you know how to use them, everything else seems a lot slower. So it is very powerful. The knowledge of using Vim is so transferable because a lot of other text editors, such as Atom, for example, use the shortcuts under its hood. And Vim does have a GUI and a text-based user interface, so there's ways to install plugins to actually see something outside of the terminal. One of the great ones for NeoVim is Oni. You can check it out, see what you think about it. It's really, really great in my opinion. There is ways to install syntax highlighting. There's a lot of documentation, but it is probably quite intimidating for those developers who are newer to the field, and the UI straight out of the box may not be the prettiest, but for NeoVim, Oni is a great example where the UI is wonderful and you're pretty much utilizing NeoVim. Number 4, Atom. Atom has a really clean user interface and really great themes. It's very intuitive, really user-friendly, and in my opinion, wonderful for entry-level developers. It has Git and GitHub integration, so you can easily push to your repositories. It doesn't require a long setup at all, and you can install extensions for real-time collaboration with other developers. However, in my experience, it started to crash when I started working on bigger projects. So to me, it really reduced its performance, and that is why Atom is not at the top of my list. Number 3, Brackets. Brackets was made by Adobe, and it is quite a minimal text editor. However, it is still very powerful for what it was made for. It is great for web designers and front-end developers. And one of its greatest features, in my opinion, is Extract. It allows you to get information such as colors, fonts, any spacing directly out of your Photoshop document to create HTML and CSS. It has Git integration, a great extension library, live preview, and it's free. Number 2, Sublime Text. I struggle putting Sublime Text on this list because there is an $80 licensing fee. However, there is also an unlimited length free trial, so it kind of makes it free for as long as you wish. Overall, Sublime Text is a really great text editor. It has a lot of functionality, and one of its best features, in my opinion, is the fact that it's really fast. It has distraction-free mode, it has a search bar that allows you to go to anything, and search for any files or extensions that you need to find really quickly. It has a great package control. It has wonderful command shortcuts. Overall, it is a really, really great, powerful, professional editor. However, it is not the most intuitive one in my opinion, so it might take a little bit of time to get used to it. And the number one text editor on my list is VS Code. That is a text editor that I use daily and I absolutely love it. It is a very easy to understand text editor. It has packages for everything that you could possibly think of, so there's a lot of extensions to customize it as you wish. There is a built-in terminal that works really smoothly. It is pretty quick to open files and start up overall. There is a great extension for real-time collaboration, and there's wonderful command shortcuts. It is pretty quick and intuitive to figure out where do you need to go for searching for extensions versus the packages that you already have downloaded versus the files that are in your system. It has split editing capability, live editing mode, and of course it's free. In my opinion, VS Code is the best free text editor out there. What is your opinion? Leave it in the comments down below. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did,